Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 2 in our 25 Days of Christmas series. Today I'm sharing 2 buffalo check wreath ideas that you can make entirely from Dollar Tree for less than $5 each. Now for the first one, I'm using one of these candy cane wreath frames along with a buffalo check scarf that Dollar Tree carries. I cut this infinity scarf on the seam so that I would have one long stretch of material to work with, and then I laid it over the wire frame and lined up the check pattern so that it would be even and centered on the candy cane. Once it's in position how you want it, if you want it really secure, go ahead and sew this, but honestly, I felt like it was plenty stable and secure enough just by using hot glue to attach it here and hold everything in place. So go ahead and hot glue the fabric together on the back of the candy cane and double check the rounded part of it up here because you will have to kind of round the fabric here, and if you want to keep your squares in line, I was lining up the black squares in the center here and I wanted them to continue that way also around the curved part of the candy cane. And then I just used a little hot glue to close up the ends as well. And I'm using one of these lovely little Christmas floral sprigs with the apple on it. Dollar Tree has adorable little Christmas floral sprigs that you can get. And then to help keep everything in place, I cut a little hole in the fleece fabric here, just above one of the middle horizontal lines of the wire candy cane frame in the middle here. And I stuck the end of the floral sprig down in here so that you won't see the end of it. And I also felt like this just made it a little bit more stable and a little bit more secure. And then just add a little hot glue up behind the branches part. I'm also using a clip-on sparkly bow that Dollar Tree had in their Christmas decor section, and the final touch is using a little hot glue to add in a couple sticks of candy cane. These peppermint candy sticks are so cute to add in. These are the candy cane sticks that they sell in their candy aisle. Now for the next wreath, I'm using a large round wire wreath frame and one of these kitchen towels, although you could use another buffalo check scarf for this one if you prefer the look of that. But basically just cut your towel in half lengthwise like I'm doing here and then trim off all of the edges so you're left with just the patterned part of the fabric. And we're going to kind of do the same thing by lining up the lines of the pattern how you want it to look. Because the wreath is round, it's a little bit more complicated than the candy cane wreath was, but it's still really easy to do. Again, I just used hot glue on the back to attach the sides together in the back here. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I hope you'll consider subscribing. And don't forget to check back soon as I will be posting a lot more fun Christmas videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from now till Christmas. So now if you can see here, the towel isn't quite long enough, but that's totally okay because we're going to use another beautiful Christmas pick on here. I'm sticking the wire end of the pick inside the wrapped frame of the wreath so you won't see the end of the floral pick, and using hot glue again up behind the floral branches part just to keep it in place on here. And Dollar Tree has more of these cute bows. They come in different colors and they have little decorative accent pieces. Although I actually decided to pull off this little decorative piece so that I could just attach the bow on here how I wanted it. And then I removed this glittery red, I don't know if this is like an ornament or an apple or what. I think it's supposed to be an apple. But I'm going to leave this piece off and then just take this other piece and use some hot glue. And at first I wasn't sure if I wanted it on there, but I did decide to add this piece back in. So I used some hot glue and put it up here in the floral sprig as part of the arrangement. And since I love the candy cane, peppermint candy accent pieces, I'm using hot glue again to place 2 more of these candy pieces in here. I like positioning them kind of at an angle to each other, but you could do this however you like. And I love that the bag came with a whole bunch for $1, so I could snack on one while I was making these, and I still have plenty more left to make more wreaths and more projects this year. These are super cute, perfect for Christmas. These would make a great gift idea, and at barely more than $4 each to make, they're super affordable. My mom and my aunt have already claimed these 2 that they want to add into their Christmas decor this year, so I will be passing these on to them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye.